There are more formal structured systems, encouraging and enabling women data collection and analysis to increase the uptake of new approaches, varieties, and of and timely response to conflict, shocks, and crisis. Characteristics of the farmers of Kenya: improving access to land and securing the views and demands on measures required to boost the country's agricultural performance.
So counties cannot run away from the fact that they are not investing what they should invest. So this blame shifting is not good, and it is upon us Kenyans to call out these politicians, because counties blame the national government and the national government blames the county government. Whereas the truth of the matter is both levels of government are to blame. The national government should obviously send more money, and then the county government should invest a lot more than they are investing in the agricultural sector.
When all these people made their statements, when they made their manifestos, they did not really consult the farmers' organization. Budgetary allocation has almost in all counties been actually much lower than what we expect.
Thina wa mbeca icio ni guteithiriria ko ni facilities cia cold room, cold storage, nigetha indo iria na arimi mararima ritigage guthuka itanakinya thina wa thoko. Koguo hena bata munene muno thirikari kuongerera kigina kiria heanaga